Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, today our topic is proper and improper fraction and like and unlike fractions. So today I will explain to you what are proper and improper fraction with examples and what are like and unlike fractions, so that we can start our exercise 3A. So first of all, we have to understand what are proper and improper and what are like and unlike fraction. Okay, first of all, proper and improper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less. Numerator, you know, the above number is called the numerator and the below number is called the denominator. For example, you can see here 3, 4, 4 and 11. Okay, these are the numerators, and 5, 9, 5, 13 means below the line all the numbers are denominators. Okay, so the fraction in which the numerator is less means the numerator is small than the denominator. That is a proper fraction. Improper fraction, as you can see, 3 by 5. ओके बेटा, अगर ऊपर वाला नंबर जो है जिसको न्यूमरेटर कहते हैं, ठीक है, और नीचे वाले नंबर को कहते हैं डिनोमिनेटर, तो अगर ऊपर वाला नंबर छोटा है और नीचे वाला नंबर बड़ा है तो ये होगी प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, इसी तरह इसका ऑपोजिट हम अगर कर लें, अगर ऊपर वाला नंबर बड़ा होगा और नीचे वाला नंबर छोटा होगा तो ये होगी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो लेट्स सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. As I told you that in improper fraction, numerator will be greater, denominator will be smaller. Okay, numerator will be greater than denominator, and here numerator will be smaller, less than the denominator. So both of these are example of proper and improper fractions. Okay students, as I explained you proper and improper fraction, there are just one fraction. Okay, like 4 by 8, there is just one fraction. But in like and unlike fraction, there will be two fractions, like 4 by 8 and 3 by 8, 4 by 10 and 1 by 10. So look at these pairs of fractions. In like and unlike, there will be pair of fractions. What is similar about them? So which of these pairs are similar? Numerators are similar or denominators are similar? You can see above numbers are numerator and below number are denominator. So which numbers are same? 8 means denominators are same. You can see 10, 10 denominators are same. Here again 6 and 6. So it means that the denominator in each pair of fraction is the same. So because the denominator are same, so this is called the like fraction. If the denominator is in the pairs are same, then it will be the like fraction. Okay, so fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. And look at these pairs of fractions, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, 2 by 5 and 2 by 7. Okay students, in this example you can see the denominator are different. In each pair the numerators are the same and the denominators are different. So fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Fractions with same denominator, like fraction, and fraction with different denominators, unlike fraction. So students, you have to just remember, if the denominators are same, this is the like fraction, and if the denominators are different, this is the unlike fraction. Just remember two things. Okay, denominators are same, so like fraction, denominators are different, so unlike fractions. Okay, just remember with these 2 points. Okay students, now let's see how we can compare like and unlike fraction, that which is the greater and lesser fraction. So look at the following fractions in the table given on page 112. When we compare them, we see that 4 by 8 dash 3 by 8. Student, look at this table. Okay, so comparing fractions, you can see there is no partition in the first strip, so this is the greater number, this is a greater fraction, and here in this strip there are 2 parts. Okay, we divide this strip into 2 parts, so now this fraction is less than this fraction, this fraction is greater than the second fraction. In the same way, now we have divided into 3 parts. Now this fraction is smaller than this fraction. Okay, so okay beta, in like fractions you can see these are the like fractions because the denominator are same, 8 and 8 both are the denominators, so denominators are same, so this is the like fraction. 10 and 10, again 6 and 6, denominators are same, you can see the same denominator. Okay, so these are the like fractions. So in like fractions, the greater the numerator, if the numerator is greater in like fractions, first of all students आपने ये देखना है कि ये लाइक है या अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन है. ठीक है, आपने सबसे पहले देखना है कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो ये लाइक फ्रैक्शन है. तो लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है और कौन सा नंबर लेस है. तो लाइक फ्रैक्शन में जैसे आपको 4 ग्रेटर लग रहा है, 4 बड़ा नंबर होता है और 3 छोटा है, तो हमने उसको उसी तरह ग्रेटर का साइन लगाना है कि 4 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 3 in like fraction. Okay, because in like fraction the greater the numerator, the greater is the value of the fraction. So in like fraction, if the greater numerator is the greater, so its value is greater. Okay, and look at the table again to compare the following fractions: 1 by 2 or 1 by 3, and 3 by 4 or 3 by 5. So here you can see 1 by 2 and here 1 by 3. So student, as you know that the denominator are different, so this is unlike fraction. So in unlike fractions with the same numerators, in unlike fractions with the same numerator, you can see the numerator are same in unlike fractions. So the smaller the denominator, the greater its value. In unlike fraction, because you can see the numerators are same. Okay, so we will see the denominator. So the smaller the numerator, the denominator, the greater is the value. Like 2 is smaller than 3, but it is a greater value, it has a greater value. As you can see in this table, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, so which is the greater, 1 by 2 or 1 by 3? You can see this portion is greater, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. The part of 1 by 3 are less, so this number is greater. Okay students, now fill in the boxes with less or greater. So here I explained you 1 or 2 examples, and the remaining you will do by yourself. This is your homework. So 1 by 3 or 2 by 3, which fraction is it? First of all, identify which fraction is it. This is like or unlike fraction. 3 and 3, as you can see the denominators are same, So this is a which fraction? Like fraction. So if the fraction is like, so the greater the numerator, the greater its value. So 2 is greater. Okay, so we will put a sign like this, the greater side. So in like fraction, if the numerator, the greater is the value. So 2 is the greater number. So 2 is the greater side. Okay. So next part, 4 by 5 and 1 by 5. Again, denominators are same. So this is like fraction. Okay. In like fraction, if the numerator is greater, that has the greater value. So 4 is the greater number. So we will put the sign like this. 7 by 9 and 8 by 9. Again, this is the like fraction because denominator are same. So 8 is greater number. Okay. So this fraction is greater. In the same way, all of these are like fractions. So now do it by yourself. Now fill in the boxes by writing dash or dash, greater or less. So 1 by 5 or 1 by 10. Here you can see denominator are different. So this is the unlike fraction. Denominators are same. So like fraction. Denominators are different. So unlike fraction. Okay. So in unlike fraction with the same numerator. So the smaller the denominator, which denominator is the smaller? 5 or 10? 5. So the smaller the denominator, the greater is the value. So 5 is the smaller. So students, here 1 by 5 is the greater fraction. Okay, because in unlike fraction, the smaller the denominator, the greater is the value. 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Again, denominators are different. So again, this is the unlike fraction. So in unlike fraction, as I told you, the smaller the denominator, the greater its value. 3 is the smaller, so the greater its value. So students, in this way, like and unlike fraction, complete 1 and 2 questions on book. Okay, take care. Allah.